From time to time, we're facing to broadcast in real time. To alert an emergency case or to announce a fire drill. Operator can easily broadcast the situation with a network microphone. But without the microphone, you can play the recorded sound source or the TTS on the web page. In this time, we'll have a look for the setting and operation of the live audio play. Please go to the Operate button mode. In this button mode, users can broadcast the preset sound source. Select the source from the BGM list, and select the zone or the group which is set in advance. And click the Start Broadcasting button, and select a source to broadcast in the source control, then it plays. To finish broadcasting, click the End All Broadcasting button. To broadcast the TTS, select TTS as a source in the beginning. For more details, please refer to the manual. Thanks for watching.